Understanding the Peace Movement. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an important and inspiring topic, the peace movement. Whether you're learning English or just curious about global social movements, understanding this concept is key. Let's explore what the peace movement is, its history, and its impact on the world. Stay tuned to learn more about this powerful force for change. The peace movement refers to a social movement that seeks to achieve ideals such as the ending of a particular war, or all wars, minimizing interhuman violence in a particular place or type of situation, and is often linked to the goal of achieving world peace. Means to achieve these ends include advocacy for pacifism, nonviolent resistance, diplomacy, boycotts, peace camps, and not forgetting the notable peace treaties. It's a movement that brings together people of various backgrounds and beliefs with one common goal: peace. Historically, the peace movement has roots in anti-war movements that opposed military conflicts like the World War I and II. Over the years, it has evolved to include opposition to nuclear weapons, military bases in foreign countries, and more recently, to protest against drone warfare and military intervention in conflicts around the globe. Significant peace movements include the campaign for nuclear disarmament in the 1950s and 1960s and the protests against the Vietnam War. Throughout its history, the peace movement has been shaped by key figures and organizations. Individuals like Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King Jr. have become synonymous with nonviolent resistance. Organizations such as the Nobel Peace Prize-winning International Peace Bureau and the Peace Pledge Union have been instrumental in advocating for peace and organizing protests and peace camps. The impact of the peace movement can be seen in various peace treaties, the establishment of international organizations like the United Nations, and the promotion of peace education. It has also influenced public opinion and government policies towards military spending and conflict resolution. The peace movement plays a crucial role in raising awareness about the costs of war and the importance of peaceful solutions to conflicts. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and significance of the peace movement. This movement is a powerful testament to humanity's enduring desire for peace and harmony. By understanding its history, key figures, and impact, we can all be inspired to contribute to a more peaceful world in our own ways. Remember, peace starts with us. We hope this video has been enlightening and encourages you to learn more about and support peace initiatives around the globe. See you in our next video.